Hey everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable aim assist on Frag Pro Shooter game. So let's get started. First, open the Frag Pro Shooter game on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the general settings, you can find the aim assist option. To enable the aim assist, simply drag the slider beside the aim assist option to the right. You can adjust the level of aim assist according to your preference. And this is how you can enable aim assist on Frag Pro Shooter game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.